So let's take a look at this GE Profile 700 series top load washer. It boasts so many great benefits and some bells and whistles, and it's also a massive capacity. So this agitator model that I have here is 5.3 cubic feet, with the impeller model being 5.4. And GE Profile is a brand that favors innovation and some cool features throughout their product line. And this 700 series washer definitely falls in line with that. So I'm gonna get into this washer and we're gonna wash some towels, and I'm gonna tell you some of the features as well as the benefits and why this machine might be a good product for your home. So the first thing you're gonna notice with this GE Profile 700 series washer is the size. This thing is huge. You could fit a lot of different things in here. King size comforter, king size sheets, lots of different bedding, lots of different towels. And that's what we're gonna be washing here today. I just got like 8 towels. I just wanna see how those towels move in the water with the agitator. This uses smarter wash technology. So what that is GE has developed a way to where the wash drum will actually sense during the cycle if you want it with more power, if you want your wash to have more care, for it to be gentler. If you're washing delicates, it will adjust throughout the cycle. You have a lot of different cycle options. So you've got towels, bulky, quick wash, sanitize, jeans, delicates, whites, normal, and you do have a downloaded cycle, because this appliance is a smart appliance. It can be connected to Wi-Fi, and really the main reason why you want to do that is that the firmware, the software in this machine stays up to date. The manufacturer will send updates to the firmware in here in this unit if it is connected to Wi-Fi. So you should always connect your appliances to Wi-Fi. Don't be afraid of Big Brother. You do also have a full temperature, soil, and spin customization, as well as some rinse customizations. So if you do use fabric softener, there is a deep water rinse that the machine will use to really rinse that fabric softener out, get it out of the drain pump. You do have a smart rinse, so the machine will adapt with that rinse if you have that toggled. The coolest feature that this GE Profile machine has, but if you need it, is the Tangle control. And now what that's going to do is, if you're doing sheets, if you're doing bedding, that Tangle control, if you have that selected, is just going to make sure those don't get tangled up around the agitator or with each other in the tub, reducing wrinkles. Now you do have a pre-wash setting if you want to use that too. If you have something that's super heavily soiled, you want to do a power pre-wash before the cycle begins, you can do that on this machine as well. So it does have that deep fill if you want to toggle that on as well. That's going to give you the most water that this machine will allot, and especially if you're doing like bedding, bigger items, you want those items to flow through the water, have enough movement to go through the water. So if you're doing a bigger load, would definitely recommend doing the deep fill. So when you've got your cycle selected, you're ready to start it, you do have this flex dispense. It's not like a traditional top loader where you can just throw your detergent at the bottom of the tub. You actually have a place to put it. And not only that, but you have a place to put pods. So you usually don't want to put pods just mixed in with your clothing. I know that's what they're made for, but then you have that plastic, going around with your clothes, and sometimes it can get embedded in your clothes. So it's really good not to use pods probably, but if you are, you got a little compartment for them here so the water can hit that immediately. This machine is protected with Microban. It's an antimicrobial, and that's going to help just keep the machine smelling good, keep the machine clean. Though you do, like every 3 months, like any other washer, you do want to run a clean washer cycle, or you can do that by doing a hot water cycle with some white vinegar. And one cool thing about this machine too is it does have a quiet wash. Definitely, if you are, have a bigger family, like I said, you're doing a lot of laundry and you're looking for a top load, this would be a great model for you. I really like the suspension, the balancing. Like I said, when it was spinning, it was smooth. The agitation was smooth. It wasn't noisy, and I really liked that a lot. This is a well-built machine. You know, for a top load, it is a little more on the upper end as far as the features on this machine, but it's a great model. A lot of cool features on here for this GE Profile 700 series washer, and like I said, if you're a big family looking to do a lot of laundry, this would be a good option for you.